What's going on, guys? Jesse from Sledaddicz. So another awesome product that I've been using for one season now, going on second season, is the SledTred Knee Pads. So I actually bought a pair for both of my sleds that are coming, and Mike got a pair for both of his sleds, and Andrew also got them. So these are some awesome knee pads. They're really thick. The adhesive is strong. They actually provide a good amount of protection for your knees. They're only about $70, which is still cheaper than Skidoo's knee pads that they offer, which are made out of rubber and super thin. These are made out of foam, and I don't know if you can appreciate it in the package, but they are quite thick. So I'm gonna take these out and put them on, and I'll show you what they look like. In typical Sledaddicz fashion, the other thing I need to do is take off my stock decals here. So I'm gonna take off this one and then take off the one on the other side. So the first thing you want to make sure is that the knee pads are in the right orientation. So they should sit together like this, and then you know that this one is for that side and this one is for that side. And then the next step would be just to take off the backing on here. First of all, what I did before is just make sure that your side panels are cleaned and there's no adhesive or dirt or any grease on there. Nice and clean. You take off the backing of this and then stick it on. Okay, so I'm going to peel off my adhesive backer here. Get that off. I'm going to find where I want it on the sled. So I usually aim for like ½ inch of a gap at the top. Like that. And then you just want to push that down, and that's it. The adhesive is actually super sticky and it won't come off. The other thing I wanted to note is that they actually make these decals or these knee pads in all different colors. I just chose to go with black because it's all black side panel, and I think it matches in quite nicely. So same on this side, I'm just gonna make it like about ½ inch down. Stick that down. Now you can appreciate just how thick this knee pad is. So definitely will provide quite a bit of cushion. And me and Mike used it all of last season with upwards of 4,000 kilometers per machine, or per pair of knee pads. So we can say 100% that these are top quality, and I don't really think it gets much better than this. So if you haven't done so already, go check out SledTred.com, and you can buy knee pads for your Polaris, your Skidoo, your Arctic Cat, your Yamaha. Basically any sled on the snow, you can get suited up with these knee pads, and hope you guys all have an awesome season. If you liked that video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sledaddicz YouTube channel, where we release content on everything snowmobiles. Also, hit that bell icon so you can be updated every time we release new videos.